Hey everybody, Happy New Year. Just wanted to give you guys a little update on where we are with the Viking Vision project, the renovation of Tri-Valley High School. The students and teachers are going to be back here in the next couple of days to start the second semester, and I thought now is a good time to just give you an update on our plans, and I've also got a special treat for you at the end of this video. You'll want to stick around for that. Hope you enjoy it. So we're already in the middle of the project, as you probably know by now. We are already completed with phase one, which was primarily in the northeast part of the building. Our students and staff are already enjoying the agriculture room, the art room, industrial tech lab, and the fitness center, which was formerly the band room. And we wanted to just give you an update on what's next, what you can expect to be seeing over the next couple months as you begin to see the trucks rolling in and changes happening to the building. So first of all, we're going to be breaking ground in March of this spring on the new addition, which is going to be there on the east side and south side of the building. The theater and the performance suite are going to be basically where the old concession stand was, which was just torn down over Christmas break. You can see and get an idea for where that's going to be. The vent entry, which is right here, will be this was the senior hallway, and so this will be the new event entry that will lead along the existing gym, and then back to the auxiliary gym, which will be all part of this new addition phase. It will be planned to be finished mid-year next school year, so the goal is February and March of 2020 is when you can expect for those facilities to begin to be moved into, even before the final phases of the renovation is done. Then after that, we have this summer the remodeling, gutting of all the old and putting in all new of the academic wing, the west side of the school, all the classrooms basically. And so all of these rooms will be done this summer, and then the students will be and teachers will be moving into those for next school year. So we'll be kind of in a transition year next year. We'll be having an all new area here, and then this area will be new, and then there's some remaining areas will still be old and be finishing up the following summer, which you can see here. Those areas include the kitchen and the commons here. The main gym will be getting air conditioning, new flooring, and painting, and then you also have a small addition here to the front, as well as the main office, and the new main entry will be finish the work in the summer of 2020. Okay, to give you a better feel for what it's actually going to be like, though, I'm going to share with you this virtual reality tour, a video recording of someone actually walking through what these facilities are going to look like. Hi everybody, welcome to your virtual tour of the new Tri-Valley High School. We're going to be walking into the main entrance here. You can see to the left there will eventually be in the last summer a small addition here to the main offices, and then this front entry will be finished in 2020. I'm showing this to you now because I wanted you to get a feel for what things are going to be happening in phase two. This is the new entrance and lobby, and then you can see that to the left you'll be able to be buzzed into the main office there, so which was going to greatly improve security and just ease of movement into the building as well. We'll be walking in and seeing first of all phase two, which will be the classrooms, and then phase three, I'll show you that as well. To the right you see trophy cases, to the left you see the commons, and then straight ahead is the media center, which we'll be coming back to. Phase two is going to be these classrooms here. This is this summer, the summer of 2019, which will be doing this work. You can see that there is going to be a lot of collaboration areas. There's 3 different collaboration areas. This one is blue colored, and there's just going to be a lot of different breakout areas available for students, both in the open spaces and then as well smaller conference rooms that students will be able to use. Here's the hallway. You can see the lockers are going to be wider. There's going to be upper and lower lockers, but there's going to be allowed for much more space or easier for the students to use. Here's a sample classroom. You can see that there's carpeting in a lot of these classrooms that are going to be non-science related, and there is a view of what the furniture is going to be looking like. Down this hallway here, you're going to see that there is going to be skylighting that has been added into the hallways, just to provide for more comfort and kind of more of a relaxed feel. And just that natural lighting just provides so much for student learning as well. This area that's yellow is the second breakout area, and then there are more rooms there to your left. That is going to be special ed resource rooms primarily. Moving ahead here, we're going to be moving towards the wing that's going to be more math and science. Once again, a third collaboration wing in the hallway. We're going to move forward here into one of the science labs. The science labs here, all four science rooms are going to be just a little bit different and more unique to the specific science that they teach. This one is more of biology anatomy that you can see there that has hardwood flooring. It's going to be a laminate flooring. Moving forward then to your left, you're going to be seeing entrance into an area we're calling the makerspace, which is going to be allowing for project-based learning and tech uses, multiple different uses that allows for students to collaborate and work on things in a non-traditional setting. That's pretty much the extent of phase 2. Moving into phase 3, this is going to be work completed in the summer of 2020. Our commons will have all new flooring, all new seating for students for lunches. To the right, you're going to see that there is going to be booth seating added in for students to be able to use during lunches. As we move forward here, you're also going to see that the old stage will be removed, but we're still going to have a small couple steps for a smaller stage that'll be used for standing assemblies, homecoming week festivities, and such. To the right, you're going to see that there's going to be large doors that are going to be allowing for multiple lines for lunches, make lunch quicker and easier, and hopefully will provide the ability to have more options for student lunches. To the right, you see where the art room will still be there, and then we'll be having a guidance and nurse office on the outsides of the main office. And then we're going to be walking into the media center. In the media center here to the left, there are stacks for books that students will still be able to check out, and then just a lot of different areas for students to work in groups, booth seating, high top seating, low top seating, and then a large area there in the back where students can actually connect to a screen on the wall. This is the computer science room, computer lab, and then there is the other side of the maker space. So you kind of have a tech hub here in the center of the school, allow for multimedia usage. So that's phase 3. We're now going to go over to the new addition, which once again breaks ground in March. This is the senior door. It will now become the event entry to the school, and this will be finished approximately February or March of 2020. To the left there is the performance suite, and then behind that will be the theater. We're going to go ahead and walk in. This will be the entrance that we use for both theater events and athletic events, which will allow us to, once again, just have security into our building, close off the rest of the school for performances and contests. There's the door that will lead into the remainder of the school. And this is the door that leads into the performance suite. To the left here are breakout areas, practice rooms to be used for fine arts performances. You also have lockers for band storage. Here is the band and choir classroom, which has a door to the right which will lead directly onto the stage of the theater, which is just on the other side of that wall. We'll walk back out here into the event lobby and then go into the theater. There's natural lighting out here as well, and then there is a lot of different soft seating that'll just be available for people, intermissions, half times, to be able to use that. Also during the school day, breakout sessions for students as well. Here's the theater. There's an audio-visual platform in the back, and then you have approximately around 500 soft seats that will then kind of have a steady decline. The stage will be actually at ground level, and so then you'll be walking down here, and then we'll be going onto the stage here to give you a feel for what it looks like from the performer's view. The color scheme and flooring matches the entire building. We're going to walk out the second entrance doorway, back out into the event lobby, and then you're going to be able to go in and see the concession stand area. There's bathrooms here to the right, more trophy cases to the right, and then as we walk through here, this area will actually be an area we can use for track and football events as well. There's the concession stand, which we'll be able to use for athletic events, indoor and outdoor. Another set of restrooms. And then here is the auxiliary gym with 2 cross courts and then a full-size court with multi-purpose flooring. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching the official virtual tour of the Viking Vision project here at Tri-Valley High School. Special thank you to Damien Schlitt, the lead architect at BLDD, for putting this video together for us. Thank you for watching. Go Vikings!